You've probably seen this before, one of those flashy pop-ups saying, "Congratulations, you're our lucky winner." You pause for a second, feeling that little rush of excitement, thinking you've just scored something valuable. But have you ever actually received anything worth celebrating? The truth is, these pop-ups are rarely what they seem. They're not real prizes. They're just clever tricks designed to grab your attention, trigger your emotions, and push you to spend money you probably weren't planning to spend in the first place. Maybe they offer you a small discount, like 5 or 10% off, or free shipping if you check out right now. It feels like a win, but in reality, it's a tactic called gamification marketing. By making it feel like you're playing a game and winning something, they trick your brain into feeling good about spending money. And let's be honest, when you feel like you've already won something, you're much more likely to keep going, adding more items to your cart or rushing to complete your order because you don't want to lose your prize. Worse yet, many of these pop-ups ask you for your email or phone number before you can claim your reward. What they're really doing is collecting your personal data so they can flood you with endless promotional emails and texts later on. And in some cases, especially on sketchy websites, these pop-ups aren't just annoying, they're actually dangerous. They can trick you into giving away personal information without offering anything real in return. So next time you see that big, exciting "you're a winner" message, stop for a moment and ask yourself if this is really a prize or just another clever way to make you feel good while they take your money or your personal information. If you've ever fallen for one of these fake prize pop-ups, share your experience in the comments. And if you want to avoid falling for tricks like these in the future, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more eye-opening marketing secrets.